What is up guys, welcome to CJ's Vlogs and welcome to another video. Today I'll be talking a little bit about a little town called Maranello. Okay, so I think I'm gonna actually take a seat for this one because last year I went to Maranello, which is the home of Ferrari. And tomorrow I'm getting back on a plane and I'm going there, except it's not summer anymore, it's winter, so it'll be freezing cold. The last time I was there I saw some incredible things. You know, Maranello is an entire town that is focused solely on Ferrari. And you can only truly experience it and grasp it when you go there. So for starters, I stayed in a place called the Maranello Palace, which is a beautiful hotel that's directly across the factory. Also, when you step outside, because the hotel is so close to the factory, I've seen 2 test mules in the time that I'm here, and I've seen plenty of cars getting road tested. So I could basically walk across the road to work in the morning. And yeah, I spent about a week there last year, but I took some videos and I took some, photos and stuff. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see I did post some of them, but I never really used the videos because I sort of just took a video of everything there and I didn't actually, put it into a vlog. So I thought today, since I'm going back there 6 months later, I'd show you a little bit more. So in the city of Maranello, you see the factory. The factory is huge, and when I was there, they were really doing some construction because it's part of Ferrari expanding production and expanding commercial offices. It's all part of the plan. We're a growing brand, so the infrastructure needs to follow suit. But a lot of what I saw, I'll highlight the important bits, were the chassis on the trucks. You know, there's a place called Zanazzi, so it's down the road. It's a paint shop that has worked with Ferrari forever. And they were carrying some of the chassis, specifically Pista Spider and Monza, SP Monoposto and SP Biposto. That was purely because some of the paint colors the factory don't paint in the production line, so they actually take them out and paint them there, and then they bring them back. But they cover them in this like wrapping. It's quite cool. Obviously, you see a lot of quality test drives, so the quality control actually happens. So a lot of our cars arrive in South Africa with anywhere from 30 to 70 kilometers on the odometer. But that's when we know that it's been quality tested, either on the road or on the track. And customers in our country are confident in that because they know that the car's been through a certain level of testing and it's all good. And speaking about testing, you see tons of test mules around there. It's if you live in a town in South Africa that's near either the BMW factory or the Mercedes factory or the VW factory, you'll find test mules around there all the time. And specifically with us, I saw the SF90 test mule. All of the SF90 Stradale was already out at the time. They were still doing some final calibrations and stuff, and I did meet the engineers and a lot of people on the production teams. And they were just doing some final engine tuning and stuff like that. But that engine was in that whole powertrain, should I say, was in an F488 GTB body, and obviously it's black and some were camo and what have you. So it was very exciting to see that sort of stuff. You always see when Ferrari has a test mule that's been photographed, it goes wild on social media, or it goes wild on the internet. To actually see a test mule there that nobody has seen before, incredible. But of course, you've got to respect the privacy and you've got to respect the development. Also happened to go to the museum there, and at the time of the museum they had the hypercars showcase. So that was the 288 GTO, the F40, the F50, the Enzo, and the LaFerrari, and amongst that they also had the FXXK and the FXXK Evoluzione. It was very, very cool. Museum is an incredible thing, and if you have time, you definitely need to go there. I mean, at the time, they also had the SF90 Formula One car. That was the 2018 Challenger, as well as that was the 2019 Challenger, celebrating 90 years of Scuderia Ferrari. And also I saw the Pista Piloti, but I had seen that car before. What else did I see? I saw tons of stuff, and Also in the museum was model cars and trophies, and there was a whole wall of model cars of every Formula One car that has ever competed in a Grand Prix. So from like the 125 to the 156, all the way to the years 312, T4, the whole lot of them, on this huge wall, circular wall, and they were all stacked up. So it was very, very cool. So Maranello is the home of Ferrari, and I'm going back there, and I'm super excited. So if you have anything you'd like to see, I'm going to post this video and then hopefully look at the comments. And if you follow me on Instagram, DM me and tell me, you know, there's a lot of interesting things, although it might be a bit more difficult now with it snowing. And I won't be doing as much fun stuff as I did the last time, but I'll see what I can do. So that's basically that. Maranello, the home of Ferrari. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.